Life is beautiful, but also unpredictable, challenging, and difficult. None of us really know when challenges might come, how those challenges may present themselves, or, more importantly, how we will deal with those challenges. While many of us have faith that God will provide during those challenging times, sometimes God works through others in providing relief. At Lutheran Counseling Services, licensed and trained pastoral counselors serve as God's eyes and ears to work with those in need. During the past 20 years, LCS has provided individual, group, family, and couples therapy to thousands of individuals. They have also provided consultation to church workers, church nurses, and pastors as they seek to be the arms and legs of Christ on earth. Pastoral candidates have been evaluated, and churches in crisis have been ministered to as well. LCS is governed by a board of dedicated Christian stewards who strive to ensure that there is always enough to serve those in need. God has richly blessed LCS and those whom it has served over the past 20 years. Those who come tell others to come, and those who leave share their story with others. Please visit our website or contact us to answer your questions. How may we be of service to you?